Hi all, welcome back to your channel. Right, so I'm back here at Bramley Moore this morning and the sun is glorious today. So it's the weekly Bramley Moore update. Okay, I've just had a little look around with me from the floor and I can see there's loads of work going on already. So let's get cracking with this one. So we're going to head to the home stand, and this has had a lot of work done to it. I can see yellow steps in there from here. Sorry for the noise, but there's a lorry going past. Loads of terracing going in there. Loads more work going on in the stand itself. Let's just get a little flight over this. See down there, the concrete steps gone in. Looking really good. Load more groundwork down here. Hell of a lot more going on. So I'm just going to have a little flight around the stands. There's loads going on this one. Let's just get a look down on this. Loads of concrete going in. That looks amazing. And this is the one that had the most concrete in it anyway, but yeah, loads of work going on here. Okay, let's go out and have a little turn around and look back at the ground itself, and then I'll try and get some shot at the back of the stand from the dock side. There we go. So only got a couple of talking points this week. Not much was brought out because loads of questions are getting answered on the in the comments. Someone says, why does the north stand dip? And I haven't really noticed it dipping. Can't see anything untowards in there. Oh yeah, the railway line I was looking for last time. Right, I need to clear this up. Someone accused me of trying to look for a railway line that doesn't exist anymore, i.e. the overhead railway from, you know, the black and white days. Now what I'm looking for was that railway line up that road there where it kind of, you know, there's a bridge that goes over the road. That's the railway line I was looking for. So in the middle of the screen now, up the road. Okay, that's the railway line I was looking for when I said they were going to put a station in between Moorfields and Sandhills. Okay, I know there's no overhead railway, it's clear that's no overhead railway. So yeah, I cleared that one up because I wasn't being stupid. I was just looking for a different railway line that you thought I was looking for. Okay, Nelson Dockside. So I put a video on yesterday about the regeneration that's going on by Peel Holdings. and someone's asking that, who obviously watches these videos as well, who will Bramley Moore, who will the neighbours be for Everton? And if you look at the plans, it's going to be apartments. It'll be like a little village, if you like. So from here all the way down is going to be a total brand new Regeneration, as you can see on the photograph. Yeah, someone wanted me to put a picture in, a pitch in the picture, so I'll get some views of the stand, and then hopefully I'll have superimposed a pitch in there. The magic of Photoshop, eh? Well, let's get some. What I can get there and go higher. Because you can see where the shape of the pitch is going to be. Okay, so I'll have a look there. I'll try and fit. Yeah. Let's get further up and get the whole ground in. You can see those structures. That's someone's on about saying what's them 6 structures. There's loads of them now, so there's something that's going under the pitch. No one's really given an answer for it, so I don't know. Let's spin it round that way. So if we haven't already had the pitch in, I will have one in there for you, okay? Right. Getting vertigo now. It's a glorious day, so when I've finished this, I'm going to stay around and take some photographs, so stay around. You know, there'll be some photos on at the end. Yeah, I'm going to do a feature as well, because I do Bramley Moore on a Sunday, I'll do Liverpool on the Monday, and I want to start doing stuff every day. So I'm going to do a feature on a Wednesday called Why Wednesdays. So if anyone's got a question, anything they want to know about Liverpool, doesn't have to be about football, can be about anything, ask me. I'll try and do a video on it. If it requires a drone, I'll use the drone. If not, I'll just make a video about it. If there's anything you want to know, why is the River Mersey called the River Mersey? Don't have to be a why, it can be a what, it can be a where. You know, where's this, what's that, anything. So anything you want to know, I'll do my best to find out for you, okay, and do a video on it. Ask in the comments if people start liking your question, then I'll go for the highest vote, if you like. So the more likes, I'll go for that question. If not, I'll just pick a question at random. If the one I like to look off, then I'll do that. Okay, so why Wednesdays? I'll say it's your channel. I'll try and make it as interesting as I can for you. Oh yeah, Instagram, people have been asking for Instagram, so my Instagram is on the screen now. It'll have been on the beginning as well, but yeah, that's on the screen now. What else? Yeah, oh yeah, I reached 2,000 subscribers last night, so I just want to thank everyone for helping me get there. Okay, I want to get bigger and, you know, get more for each, so everyone's comments, likes, subscribers, you know, as I get quite a lot of views. I've had one video that's had 63,000 views, so, you know, if you like the videos, subscribe. It helps me out, it helps the channel out, it'll help me grow, it'll help me get better at what I'm doing. And yeah, I really appreciate everything. But if you don't want to subscribe, leave comments, leave a like, that'll help me grow as well. Okay, right, okay, so I will leave. Actually no, I won't leave to see it. I'm going to get some low shots down below. I'm going to go Nelson Dockside first, get a nice low. Low shot behind the stands. I'll try not to land in the water. I still think about getting up high, it takes ages to get back down again. But someone wanted me to superimpose a pitch, so I like to try and do what I can to get what I can for you. Oh, let's have a look through this stand. There's going to be a point when we can't look through this stand because it'll be there'll be walls and stuff put in. Let's get around this way. I think best to keep my distance as well because I don't want to be anywhere I shouldn't. Try and get right round the stands. There's still a lot more work to be done there. Up behind the goals, look, you know, like a real football stand now. Hope that seagull's not coming over for an attack. They don't like drones for some reason. We'll have to look back at the video. I don't know what yet. It sent the gimbal. I thought it snapped the gimbal on the drone at first, but no, it's alright. I've brought it down, turned it off, turned it on again, you know, as you do with technology, and it sorted itself out. I don't know why the obstacle avoidance didn't kick in there, but yeah, right, I'm going to leave that there, so there's enough there to be getting on with, so I'm going to take some photographs and I'll put them on at the end. Speak to you soon.